My name is Shelby Blair. I am from Oklahoma. I go to Rogers State University, and this summer I am in Dr. Dorgan's lab. For my project, we're doing hurricane disturbance. So first thing is we got buckets of sediment and a bunch of organisms from the sediment, and I use the literal buckets of mud to take 1,000 milliliters of mud, put it in a blender, put 400 milliliters of water over the top, and blend it into a homogeneous mixture so that all the mixtures are the same for my cores. And then I take the sediment and I pour it into the cores, and then I add 1,000 milliliters of water over the top so that there's enough overlying water. I then take the core and I put it in a vacuum tube that sucks out all the air for an hour and a half. And because we use acoustics to test the sediment, and air would wreak havoc. So we take out all the air, and then once that's done, I take the core and I place it in the acoustic setup, and it sends sound through the core, and it takes like a minute, and it takes several orientations and several depths. And I have 4 different experiment setups, which one is no disturbance, no animals, one's disturbance with no animals, one's no disturbance with animals, disturbance and with animals. And this is to test the differences, how the sediment changes based on the disturbance level and the animals present, to show how organisms recover after a hurricane and how they reshape their environment after such a physical disturbance.